Hey guys, I hope you're well. A little explanation is in order. Let me open my file manager. Let me double click it. When I make a video, at this screen I will touch the font work as it were. Now it's not very bright. I wish I could brighten things up a little for you. Yeah, okay. Let me get rid of the file manager for, like I said, an exclamation is get it together, Bluzzo. Now, a Linux hint, an addendum, because I forgot something. Now, in true landfill fashion, the addendum comes before the core, we'll call it. And now, in the main body of the video, which you'll see tomorrow, because it's transcoding and it's still got 4.5 hours to go. I said that the default icons that are placed on a Linux Mint desktop, I'd right-click them and choose to delete them. Yeah, that's not like I used as examples your file manager full icon and computer and your trash can, things like that. Well, you don't have to delete them. If you right-click on your desktop, choose Customize, choose Desktop Settings. I cannot speak. This is where you can turn on and off your computer icon, your home icon, trash, and I have mounted drives turned on. If I plug an external thumb drive or external hard drive or my phone in, it shows an icon for the mounted drive. And when you're done with that drive, if you wish, you can right-click it and choose to unmount it, So yeah, that's how you get to those settings, to turn off those desktop icons, which I do not like. This is kind of handy. The default icons, if they're not placed where you want them, you can rearrange. And I mean, if they don't snap to the grid and make it pretty like you like it, you can slide them back and forth, left and right, and up and down a little to get them to reside where you like them to. So anyway, that's my addendum that I'm issuing before the core Linux talk. Yeah, take it for what it is. At least you didn't get an outro before the intro with no core material whatsoever. An outro, then the intro. A back-asswards video with absolutely no content. It's not that bad, man. I've been babbling on and my camera reverted to, wow. So what do I do now? Delete it and start all over. 73.